Hey everybody, it's Don. Welcome to Don't Worry, I'm Finite. If you've been watching the videos, you may know that my previous camera got wet. Can't get much wetter. And I needed to buy a new one. The rice method did not really work. And it was just time to upgrade. And my choice was the Canon R6. It's my first mirrorless camera and I'm really excited to check it out, try it out. But right now, I'm gonna go open it up. Let's go see it. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited. Oh yeah, that sounds nice. That click, so quiet. Listen. Oh yeah, that's nice. I'll be able to shoot weddings. I can't remember the last time I shot a wedding. I'll be able to shoot weddings and no one will even know. Yeah, this feels great. The focus feels really fast. Getting used to the digital viewfinder will take some time, but they've really upped the quality since I worked in a camera shop 10 or so years ago and I was selling the early Sony versions of mirrorless cameras, and one of the things I could not get over was the lag in the eyepiece. Since it's digital, it's not optical. When you're looking around, there's a bit of a lag when you turn from here to here. You're still seeing this dragging, and when you're trying to shoot sports, when you're trying to shoot anything where you have to be quick and shoot, it felt impossible to do things well. So I'm excited to see how much they've really improved all that stuff. It's been so long since I've had a new camera, and this one is beautiful right now. It feels amazing in my hand. Lightweight, but this lens weighs more than the camera. This lens is pretty hefty. I'm excited to try this whole thing out. So, in the box, we have standard charger and battery. We have lens hood and this pretty sweet lens bag, nice and sturdy. Always got to get that Canon strap. I never use those. And of course, oh yeah, that feels nice. Canon EOS R6. I've been very excited about this. Articulating screen. Nice mode wheel up top. On and off switches over here. Got some new buttons, and you got your toggle wheel here. I'm gonna have to get used to some of this stuff on the back. It's a little bit different than my previous ones, but it just feels really good in my hand. It feels just like my previous cameras have, my previous Canon cameras. It's just weird looking in there and not seeing the mirror. This I'm very excited about. This is the Canon 24-105. This is the R version, so it's made specifically for the R series cameras, so it fits on a mirrorless. I do have to get the adapter to be able to use my previous Canon lenses, but this is an L series, as you can tell by the red stripe. It is, from everything I've seen, very high quality lens. It's only an f4, but I'm excited to have this kind of used for anything glass for my camera. Just very excited to have a camera again, have a camera that works, and just very excited to try out the mirrorless line from Canon. It's been, I've heard so much about it, and I've been very excited about what they've been doing, and it's kind of a strange feeling to jump from the typical DSLR mirror cameras to the mirrorless system, but that's kind of where everything's going now, and I'm excited to be a part of that. And everything I've read and seen about it says that it's here to stay and it's giving great results. This camera specifically has really good dynamic range, and just having this in my hand makes me feel excited to take photos again and try new things. Just get out there, be creative. just do some photography again. There it is. Yeah, this just feels right. I'm excited to take this out and get some shots, share them with you. Thanks for watching and subscribing. See you guys in the next video. Felt good. How do you turn this off?